Welcome to Long Maths. In today's lesson, we will look at basic subdivision, which will prepare you for long division. For a good start, suppose we have this problem, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 means we have a total of 12 objects, and we want to split them into 3 equal groups. Let's say we have 12 apples. If we split the 12 apples into 3 equal groups, each group will end up with 4 apples. That means 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And if you remember your multiplication fast, you can also see that 3 times 4 equals 12. Sometimes division does not work out perfectly. For example, imagine we have 14 apples and 5 kids. If each kid gets 2 apples, that you have 10 apples altogether. But we started with 14 apples, so after sharing equally, there are still 4 apples left over. Those 4 leftover apples are called a remainder. So we say 14 divided by 5 equals 2, remainder 4. And here is something important to remember. The remainder must always be smaller than the number we are dividing by. Because if the remainder is equal to or bigger than the number we are dividing by, then we could still make another full group. For example, imagine we have 17 divided by 4. If we say the answer was 3, remainder 5, that will not make sense because the remainder is 5 and we are dividing by 4. That means the 5 leftover objects are enough to make another full group of 4. So we should not stop at 3 groups, we should continue and make one more group. That's why the remainder must always be smaller than the divisor, because the remainder is the only amount that is too small to make another full group. Now, here is something interesting about division. When the divisor gets bigger, the answer actually gets smaller. For example, 12 divided by 2 equals 6, but 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Notice what is happening? The number we are dividing stays the same, but the answer keeps getting smaller. Why? Because we are splitting the 12 into more groups, and the more groups we make, the fewer objects each group will get. So in division, a bigger divisor usually means a smaller quotient. Let's see it in picture. Imagine you have 12 bananas for some monkeys. If only 2 monkeys are sharing the bananas, each monkey gets a lot of bananas. But if 6 monkeys are sharing the same 12 bananas, each monkey gets much less. The total number of bananas did not change. We still have 12 bananas. The only thing that changed is the number of monkeys sharing them. And as the number of groups get bigger, the amount each group gets becomes smaller. So that is the idea of division. Sometimes it works out perfectly, and sometimes you end up with leftovers. Practice a few examples and make sure your brain is comfortable with it, and you are good to go. Alright, that is it for today's lesson. See you next time.